Morning, student. Hope you all are fine at home and enjoying the holidays that have been given to you by the government. Children, these holidays are not for 100% enjoyment, but you have to take care of yourself as well as your family members and do the studies also, right? You all know, and I know you must be missing your school. We the teachers are also missing you all. We will soon meet and have the studies back on track. Till then, just carry on with the studies with the videos that we are going on, right? If any problem will be there in any of the topic, it will be explained to you again. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 12, food for plants and animals, right? Now children, we know that we are eating habits of all the living beings are different, whether it is human, whether it is animal or plant. Everyone is having a different eating habit, right? Like if for example I tell you, and why food, why we are it's yes, food is very important. Why? Because food help us to grow, food help us to live, right? So if we will not eat food, children, what will happen? We will not be able to work, we will not be able to do our studies, we will not be able to play, right? So food is very important for everyone to live. Now if we talk about the variety of food, if I talk about you all or me, everyone must be liking different food. Like some must be liking only the plants products, right? And some must be liking the animal product, like you can say flesh and meat, I want to say, right? Butter and milk and all, everyone is taking. But the variety of food, some must be liking vegetarian food, that is only plant products, but some must be liking the meat and flesh also, right? So here we are going to start the new chapter today. We all need food to live. The food that we consume is obtained either from plant or from animals. It is true. The food that we are eating, it is either we are obtaining from plant or from animals. Now here is a short line story that there was a bear whose name was Daffy. He has invited his friends Winnie and Minnie for lunch. Daffy the bear is in trouble. He has invited his friend Minnie and Winnie to lunch. Minnie eats only plant products while Winnie eats only animal products. Daffy has collected cheese, grapes, fish, peas, carrots, eggs, pulses, tomatoes, meat, apples and milk. Help Daffy by placing the food items into the correct basket. Now children, you can see the diagram over here, your figure over here. There are different food items kept over here. Now what you have to do in your book, if you all are having your book, what you have to do, you can see two tables are formed. That is, one is Minnie's food basket and other one is Winnie's food basket. From these food items, what Daffy the bear has collected, you have to separate the food items that are being eaten by the particular animal, right? So this is the homework that you have to do. Now if I tell you, you must have heard about children photosynthesis, right? What is word for photosynthesis? Is a process in which a plant prepare its food. That process in which the plant is preparing its food is called photosynthesis, right? Now children, another topic that we will do today is all living things need food. Yes, it is true. Whether it is human being, whether it is animals, whether it is plant, all the things that are living beings need food for their survival. That is, they need food to live. All living things, whether plants or animals, need food in order to live, grow and obtain energy for various functions, right? We need food to do many kind of functions like studies, playing, energy for, you can say, doing any work, dancing, exercise, lot of work that we do. For doing that work we need energy, and that energy we get from food. Now what is the food for plants, how plants are having their food, how they are preparing it, and by what they are preparing it, right? Like we humans, we can cook. Animals, they eat the flesh, they eat the plant like that only. But how plants are getting their food, it is very important question, right? So now we are going to study about how plants are getting food. Just like animals, plants also need food for their growth. Green plants prepare their own food. They contain one of the most important substance on earth known as chlorophyll. Children, like now this is the very important thing, that जो सिर्फ green plants होते हैं, only they prepare the food, right? Green plant, and how, with the what help? You must have seen leaves. Leaves are of green color, and that green color pigment is because of chlorophyll, right? You see in the leaves there is a green color pigment in the leaves. Because of that the food has been prepared in the plant. So how it is, we will see. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves of plant. It has the special ability to trap sunlight and produce food for the plant. Therefore, leaves are also known as food factory or kitchen of the plant. Children, this line is very important. It can be asked in fill-ups or in true and false or in one word. What is known as food factory or kitchen of the plant? So your answer will be leaves, right? So what work leaves does? Leaves trap the green leaves trap the sunlight and prepares the food for the plant. Leaves prepare food in the form of glucose using carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. This process of manufacturing food is called photosynthesis, right children? So the process of preparing food in the plant is called photosynthesis. So this full thing is how they are preparing. Leaves prepare, again I will say, leaves prepare food in the form of glucose using carbon dioxide. Children, from where the plants are getting carbon dioxide? It is given by us, right? We take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide that we are giving out is used by the plants to prepare its food. So it takes carbon dioxide, water. From where does the plant get water? From the rain, good, and from the soil, right? We water the plants. So over there, and chlorophyll, the green pigment that is present in the leaves. These three things helps the plant to prepare its food in the presence of sunlight, right? So these three things, that is carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll, in the presence of sunlight helps the plant to prepare its own food, right? Now the food is prepared by the leaves, right? So the leaves are called food factory or the kitchen of the plant. The process of this process of manufacturing food is known as photosynthesis, right children? Now see, if you can see the diagram, here you can see the sun, right? And what does plant give us? They take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen to us, right? So in the presence of sun, carbon dioxide, and this green pigment that you can see is the chlorophyll, and water it is getting from the soil. So with the help of these things, it is preparing its food, right? So students, today we are stopping here. Tomorrow again I will be explaining you more about photosynthesis.